It is about innovation with purpose. Whatever we do, you need to innovate with a purpose in mind.
The combination between deep tech and industry is an amazing opportunity. And this is why it's important that we're here today, because we are looking at how do we create and scale these new businesses.
A change towards agility is about a change in mindset, and that means the way you think and see the world. And the biggest problem there is really to get the change into the heads of the executives to allow them certain things to happen.